Hello, everyone, and welcome back to English S4U, the channel where learning English is easy and fun. My name is Sarah.
Hello, Sarah, and hello, everyone. It's great to be here on English S4U.
Hi, Alex. How are you today?
I'm doing very well, thank you. You look happy today.
I am happy because today's topic is very important.
Yes, it's a topic people hear everywhere.
Before we start, please subscribe to English S4U.
And don't forget to like this video and share English S4U with your friends and family.
All right, Alex, are you ready?
I'm ready. What is today's topic on English S4U?
Today's topic is a very common question. Tell me about yourself.
People ask this question in schools, at work, and when meeting new people.
Many English learners feel nervous answering it.
So today on English S4U, we will make it simple and easy.
Great. Alex, you start. Tell me about yourself.
Okay, my name is Alex. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too, Alex. Where are you from?
I'm from the United Kingdom. What about you?
I'm from Pakistan.
Do you live in a big city or a small town?
I live in a big city. It's busy but exciting.
I live in a small town. It's quiet and peaceful.
Do you live in a house or an apartment?
I live in an apartment.
I live in a house with a small garden.
Can I ask your age?
Sure. I'm 26 years old. And you?
I'm 30 years old.
What do you do, Alex?
I'm an English teacher on English S4U.
That's great. I'm a university student.
What do you study?
I study design. I enjoy creative work.
That's perfect for English S4U.
Let's talk about family.
I have one brother. His name is Daniel.
Is he older or younger than you?
He is younger than me.
I have one sister. Her name is Selma.
What does she do?
She is a school teacher.
Do you have any pets?
Yes, I have a cat. Her name is Mono.
I have a dog. His name is Tiger.
Now let's talk about favorite things. What is your favorite food?
My favorite food is pizza.
My favorite food is chicken roll.
What is your favorite color?
My favorite color is pink. What about you?
I like blue and white.
What are your hobbies?
I enjoy watching movies and playing football.
I like reading books and drawing.
Is there something you don't like?
I don't like very spicy food.
And I don't like waking up early.
This is how you answer, "Tell me about yourself."
You don't need long answers.
Just be simple and friendly.
For example, my name is Alex. I'm a teacher. I like dogs and movies.
Or, "Hi, I'm Sarah. I'm a student. I love art and cats."
Now it's your turn.
Write a comment and tell us about yourself.
Thank you for watching English S4U.